Alright, good evening. Tonight I have an absolutely massive issue to work on. This is going to be the entire moderation tab that I have, uh, I'm going to say forgotten, but really I've just been putting off because it's boring. But this is the entire moderation tab that I have to build. It's about probably eight, uh, eight views in the back end, so that plus unit tests, and then a few helper functions, and then the front end stuff, which is also due for unit and integration testing. So yeah, that's gonna be really fun. I said that sarcastically because this is probably gonna be a bit boring. Anyways, we're gonna get started on the first one. A helper function for checking if a user is an admin or a mod, and I'm gonna have to check the docs for this, but this is actually reasonably simple. All we're doing is we're making a permission class helper function, and I think all that we have to do is to add an is mod field. And by the way, we are going to add an sorry, we're just going to use is staff for our is admin field because there's no reason not to. Actually, let me, before I forget, let me geez, versus is super user. Let me double check this and just see what the difference between these things is. User admin interface, it's the same user system. Hmm. Active non-super user staff are agreed to admin. Access through assigned permissions. Each object editable through the admin interface. Django's admin site uses permissions. Okay. I might actually just use my own is admin then. Or sorry, is admin field because I don't want to give any mods or admins um, access to the admin panel. I only want them to be able to access the moderation panel. And actually, mods won't be able to access the moderation panel. Funny enough, they're only going to be able to flag post. But still, then we have is admin is equal to models dot boolean field default is equal to false. All right, awesome. Let me go make these migrations. My make migrations. It's gonna take a second because it's gonna try and find the Postgres database, but it's not actually gonna find it because we're not running this in a Docker container. Okay, so now you go look and so bright. I know. Um, yeah, I know you're getting migrated. Just take a second. There we go. Okay, so add the fields and then. Well, guess what? Yeah, I guess what I can do is I can just go up here and Docker compose exec backend py manage.py migrate. It should Python 3 because I don't have a shortcut set here. Python 3 manage.py migrate. All right, awesome. That looks great. Um, it should work fine now. I should just have two checkboxes there. Okay, cool. Um, oh, and by the way, I did some minor changes to the UI. Uh, you might not be able to notice them, but I changed the border colors, the profile box, and a few other like minor things. Anyways, now we need to look at I forget what these are actually called, permissions. So, on DRF permission functions. I don't want to see the AI, please. Thank you. Object with permissions. If a permission check fails, permission denied should be raised. A 403 forbidden or 401 unauthorized response will be returned. This might be better just to check the source code here, honestly. See what else get here. Permissions can be composed. using standard Python bitwise operators. For example, is authenticated or read-only could be written. Oh, we're talking about this. Okay. Let me see if there's anything. Is admin user? Let's see. Is this useful? So I could do this, but I kind of just want to stay away from that because I don't want. I mean, really, I don't want anyone that isn't a developer to be able to access the admin panel. You know. Okay. Um, Custom object permissions. Write base permission. Implement either or both. Following methods. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's just custom permissions. What are we looking for here? That's always the fun part, isn't it? Let's see, is that useful? No, not really. Okay, so like custom. Let's see if we get anything for that. You can create your own permission class. Yes, so there's base permission. Okay, honestly, I probably should have just yeah, I probably should have just returned. Sorry, just read the source code. Okay, so this. Wait, am I using authentication classes or hold on? I'm using permission classes. Yeah, yeah. Hold on. Permission classes versus authentication. Let's see if there's anything useful in this. To determine if a user has permission to perform a specific action. Django REST framework provides several permission to perform. Just a Stack Overflow question. Hmm. I think permission might be basically just a little bit smaller, kind of. Those are permission classes. Okay. I feel like I probably just shouldn't worry about this right now. Because, yeah. Apply for authentication permission. Globally, all classes. Yeah, I know that. Authentication permission are defined at the global level and also defined at the view level. The view level authentication permission. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'm still. I guess I'm just gonna keep doing permission classes because there's no reason not to. But it is a little bit weird, I guess. But not weird, so it'll be fine. All right. So this is basically what we want to do. Throw this over to the side here, and let me go. I think I already. Okay. Create a helpers.py file and import. Actually, I can do class is moderator base permission. And what's the? Can I get like base authentic? No, I can only get base permission. Okay, I'm just gonna run with what I'm thinking here and just imagine that this is the same. Hopefully, it is. Maybe not. Sorry, the same thing as authenticate authentication classes. Hopefully it is. If it isn't, then well. All right. So let's see what else we got. You know what? I am actually just gonna go read the source code. So let's go dref source. And this should be in REST framework. Should be in permissions.py. And base permission. Okay, I'm unsure what the difference between has permission and okay, this actually is kind of nice to see because it is literally just returning a Boolean. It's nothing fancy. Okay, so in that case, let me go and yeah, I I just don't understand what the difference is between this and this, but yeah, it's weird, but hmm. So up here with has permission, this example. Okay, so I think has object permission is for checking permissions on a user on a by user basis, basically. Uh, and has permission is just general is checking permissions based on the type of request made. I'm not sure though. So see if there's anything down here. Oh, here we go. Okay. You're probably going to revisit some of these arguably simplistic permissions. Customer permissions. The model is created by the request user, grant full access, yes. Yes, that, yeah. Okay. Okay. Um, a custom permission that subclasses permissions. It doesn't seem like we really do anything else. This example just shows using only using has object permission. So yeah, I'm just gonna run with that and see if it works. Define has object permission. My goodness. What are you mad about? My goodness. I might remove some of these, but for now, just keep them. Can't hurt, I guess. What are you mad about? Any, any, oh, okay, pass. So I'm mad about, function with clear value on all paths. Okay, yeah. So all we want to do is we're going to do if quest, actually, well, what we can do, turn request, we wrap this in a bool just to be very clear. That user that is mod is equal to true, or request.user dot is admin is equal to true. Oh, yeah, I can just do that. That would be smart. Okay, so you're mad at that. That's fine. You'll just deal with it. All right, I think that is it. Let's actually try this though. You should be able to go over to. Let me think. Hold on. I actually need to make a little test function for this real quick. So we should be able to go over to views. Actually, what is the first function that I would be making? Sorry for flashbang there. Mark or unmarked post is flagged. So yes, this should only be mods. So let's go over to blogs, views. We can edit this anyway, it's fine. And class, let's see, modify flagged. Let me think. Moderator, modify post view. And this is an API view. And our version classes to is moderator. And then our, let's see, so our patch self request, and we're also, okay, so we need the slug of the post, and what else do we need? I think that's it, actually, because the slug, yeah, no, with the username as well, because, yeah. Oh, and I just realized this is also going to be an issue, because this just occurred to me, because the slug field could potentially be the same, so we also need the username. If it's just taking a reaction view, then okay, yeah, hold on. I need to add. I'll fix that later, but I need to actually make that an issue. Fix reaction view. Reaction view. Uh, Potentially returning multiple posts, specifically with the post request. Okay, now that we have that fixed, we have patch, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna say self dot. Okay, so the user. Well, actually, we need this. We just need to take the blog post. Blog post will be equal to generics dot get object or 404. Slug field is equal to slug. Username is equal to user username. Username is equal to username. And oh, blog post. There we go. I feel a lot happier now. And all we need to do actually is just do blog post dot. I need to add this field to the models actually. Blog post dot. Hold on. I should make sure I have that listicle field on here somewhere. I do. Wonderful. Flag is equal to models dot boolean field. Default is equal to false. Okay, so then we can go here and since we're here, let's just go ahead and add this to our comments, and let's go over to accounts at views. Oh, nope, sorry. Accounts at models. Paste this here too. And we'll do the same thing. And while that's migrating, well, first, let's see. We're really just going to make this a toggle. So this is a toggle. It will set blog post dot flagged to the opposite of blog post dot flagged. Okay. Blog post dot is dot flagged is equal to, I think, hold on, I think I can just do not blog post dot flag. I think I can do that. Let me double check that I can do that. Hold on. Oh, right here. Oh, okay. There we go. I was confuzzled for a moment, but it's fine. Yeah, let me just see. Can I just do, okay, so x is equal to true, not x. Okay, yeah, I can just do that. I was very sure that I could, but I'd rather not confuse myself, so, Okay, and then I can just return a response of no data, but just status is equal to status dot HTTP 200. Okay. Let's go down here. This will be not reaction. Moderator modify post view. This will be, what should I call this route? Toggle flagged. Moderator modify post view. Oh, I think there's a cat under my desk. Oh, Juliet. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, this is the security cat. Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on, Juliet. I'm so sorry. Oh, Juliet. Okay. It's okay, sweetie. Why not? Hold on. It's okay. Sorry about that. Rick said like under my desk like 30 seconds ago and it scared the hell out of me. He was like yowling, like growling. I was like, oh, I'm about to get murdered. Uh, and me personally, I was just like, okay, well, I'll just accept it. It's not a big deal. Um, and then I realized that it was the cat that hates coming out because she's always scared. So yeah, that was fun. Anyways, back to what we're doing. Toggle flagged. Okay, now we need to write tests, which is always fun. We all love doing that, I know. Just one thing, I should do this again. Okay, wonderful. So, yes, let me go to blog post.test. Let's be class moderator modify post view. Go import custom test case, because why not? Let's go and define setup. And this will be start super dot. Wait, how do I do this properly? What's the syntax? Oh, is that. Let's set up, have self dot moderator is equal to basically just all this, but just gonna add in is mod is equal to true. And then we go here and we're going to say define test does patch work. Self, and all we need to do here actually is, hold on. First, we need to copy all this. Not all of it really, but some of it. And then go down here. And we need to do request is equal to temp client dot patch. Reverse lazy toggle flagged. We also want to pass kwargs. Should be, hold on, I forgot I need to send a username and pass in a slug. The username should be, well, first, hold on. Beth, because I am great at coming up with creative names because Bethy is now the username. Because, yes, it's a great username, mind you. Um, and I want to actually test this on a post that isn't Bethy's or Beth's, whatever. So we're going to use self.blog post. So username is equal to, what's our default user? Bobby. And slug self.blogpost.slug field. Okay. And all we really need to do here is just verify that it returns correctly. Expected result is equal to 200 to return response. Actually, no, sorry, we don't return response. We need to assert equal. Assert equal. Expected result request.status code. Okay. Now, let's start by running over to here and testing this. UI test blogs.test dot moderator modify post view. Moderator modify post view. What are we doing? What did we do in here? Oh, we gotta do kwargs. I was so close to getting this right this time. I just need to do kwargs. Specify that. Okay, try this again. Oh, did it actually pass first time? Okay. Let me try one other thing. Does patch work with non-mod user? This is more of a test for dot 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 the helper permission function. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to verify that this does in fact not work with someone else. So Bobby, and we're going to try and edit and flag his own post. But again, we shouldn't be able to do that because Bobby is not a moderator. And let me make sure actually, actually no, because that's, yeah, no, because self.user is Bobby. And the expected response should be 403, I believe, or 401. Depends. We'll see, I guess. Okay, so why did that work? Why, oh, why did that work? Let's see. How can I? Yeah, because that he should not, even if it's his own blog post, he should not be able to flag that. And I just realized I know this video is running long. I am blissfully aware of that, but I feel like recording this long, so yeah, deal with it. You'll be fine. Okay. Slug field. Yeah, so I guess that's not working then, and I'm very glad that I tested that because yeah, otherwise I would have just been like, oh, it works, guys, but yeah, it doesn't. So good. Wait, we don't have it. No, he's not an admin either. Rest.user dot is. Hold on. Let me just copy this whole. Um, yoink, print, paste, yoink. I know you can't access that. You'll be fine. Alright, let me see if I can just get this to print this. Hmm. Don't know how I'm gonna print that. Is this gonna be like a massive pain to test? Probably so. Okay, here. One thing I can do, I can go over to views. I can print. I might be able to actually just print the result of is moderator. Um, request. What can I? I think I can. Maybe. I'm not sure. No, no, I can't. Okay, so occasionally print request dot user dot ismod and request dot user dot is admin. And anonymous user. Okay, yeah, because that's not even. We're not even logged in. Yeah, false and false. So hold on. Hold on. So was that failing on then? Was that failing on the first one somehow? This is odd. This is very odd. Let me hold on. Let me print request.user for both of these. Oh, yeah, okay, so that just does not work at all. Um, okay. Since I don't want to record for too long, I am going to cut the video here, but I'm going to keep working at this some. So, yeah. If you want to see that, please do subscribe. I will probably post a video following up to this, or at least working on the same GitHub issue. Or don't subscribe. Either one. All right, bye-bye.